Planning Thanksgiving during a global pandemic. These are tough decisions that could have serious consequences. Newside's Patrick Nelson shows us the steps that one family is taking, some things you may want to consider as you plan your holidays in 2020.
Dining outside, video chats, wearing a mask, or maybe no Thanksgiving meal at all. It's all on the table right now as people try to decide what's safe and what's best for them this holiday season.
Normally during Thanksgiving, we all try to get together. We usually choose, because there's so many of us and we live in a lot of different states, we pick either Thanksgiving or Christmas. And this year was going to be Thanksgiving. And then obviously coronavirus kind of took over the plans and everything changed.
For Katerina Iannacone, the pandemic poses some major concerns and challenges for a Thanksgiving gathering.
My mom was really upset because she hasn't seen any of us since April, and she's been getting very depressed because she is just high risk and doesn't even want to chance it. She doesn't leave her house. She just stays home.
Katerina tells News 5 her family went all in on safety measures, testing negative for COVID-19, and now are in the midst of a 2-week quarantine to make sure things are safe for the family.
Like, let's just all get tested before Thanksgiving, give it at least 2 weeks. Stay home. Our kids are doing homeschool, so it's totally possible to stay here. I'm going to do anything to make sure my mom gets to come down. She needs this, so I'm going to do anything for her.
Technology will then be used to keep extended family members connected on Thanksgiving. And Zoom just announced, in honor of safe Thanksgiving gatherings, it will lift its 40-minute time limit on free Zoom calls for the holiday.
They're going to basically phone in from different devices. So we're just going to bring in a couple different devices, a lot of TVs, because when we play Pictionary, we got to see what they're drawing or we can't play right.
El Paso County Medical Director Dr. Robin Johnson knows not everyone will do this type of extensive planning for Turkey Day. Large indoor gatherings with people from several different households are considered high-risk activities by the CDC.
This is exactly the situation in which the virus can just explode because of the social nature of it.
So health experts suggest wearing a mask when possible, doing your grocery shopping early to avoid crowds. Think about sticking to immediate family for gatherings. Space out tables or move your meal outside. And to designate one person to be in charge of safely serving food instead of doing a buffet-style serving.
There's no way we're going to knock on doors and go, hey, you having Thanksgiving? Is everybody wearing their mask? I mean, that's kind of a ridiculous scenario, particularly in America. And so what we implore is that you know what the guidelines are. I know they seem onerous, and it's hard because this is an invisible threat.
To help our neighbors rebound from the impact of the pandemic, we welcome all of you to share your ideas and plans for Thanksgiving on our social media platforms, and also to visit our website, koaa.com/rebound, for resources. We hope you and your family have a special and safe Thanksgiving. Always watching out for you. Patrick Nelson, News 5.
We'll be